Good morning, students. We were on chapter number 5, admission of a partner. And students, you know that we have done illustration number 1 to 9 and exercise question number 1 and 2. And I have little bit explained to you the question number 3 also. So today we are going to see 3 questions, that is third one, fourth and the fifth question, right? And after that we have a short revision whatever we have learned up to here. So we are starting with the topic. You can take your notebooks, textbooks, your all the requirements with you. So students, we are starting with the question number 3. So let's start. Just read the question one time. Have you read? So what the question is that A and B are the partners in a firm, right? Who are the partners? A and B are the partners. Just 1 minute. Yes. A and B are the partners of a firm. They admitted C for the 1/6 share as a new partner. And after admission of a C, the new profit and loss ratio of A and B will be 2:3. We have done such type of sums, right? And it is more confusing. It is more confusing type of sum. So let's start, friends. Okay. So first of all, as you know that we are dividing the page into 2 equal parts, right? So now how to do? The first we can see that A and B are the partners. So I can write partners A, B, and what is the next column? Yes, which one? Yes, total. What we have to write in partners? Yes, old ratio. Just say to me, any old ratio is given to you? Yes. Nothing has been mentioned. Just they are saying AB are the partners. So old ratio is 1:1. So total comes to 2. So now how to do this one? So this completes the old ratio, right? So now the next thing what they are saying, C is admitted for, that is the new one, that is the C. And what is the C share? C share comes to 1/6. He is the new partner. After admission of a C, the new profit and loss ratio of A and B will be 2:3. The new ratio is also given to us. So now let's see how to do this one. So you know that here no one is saying who will give 1/6. C is to get 1/6 share. Who will give? A or B? No one is saying. So in that case, you know what to do? Yes, what to do? Let the profit of the firm, let the profit of the firm be 1. Yes. In that, whom we have to give the first share? Whom we have to give the first share? Yes. C share. C is to be given how much? 1/6. I'm just making bifurcation. So I get now what? I will get the remaining share. So what is the remaining share? That is 1 minus 1/6. That is 6 minus 1/6. It comes to us 5/6. Is it okay? Let the profit of the share be 1. C share comes to 1/6. So remaining share, that is 1 minus C share 1/6. That is 6 minus 1/6. The remaining share comes to us 5/6. Clear? And after that, what we have to do? And after that, Here they clearly says that the new ratio of A and B will be 2:3. So I am writing again A's new ratio. I am going to find this. So it has some formula. What is the formula? Remaining share multiply by new share. You are getting 2:3 they are getting. So remaining share 5/6, and from that A will get how much? 2/5. So 5 2s are 10 and 5 6s are 30. It comes to us 10/30. Then comes the new one, B's new ratio. B's new ratio. The same formula. Remaining share multiply by new share. So what is the remaining share? That is 5/6. And what is the remaining share? 3/5. 15/30. 15/30. Then comes the last one, C's new ratio. C's new ratio. So already C is getting how much? 1/6. So it doesn't applicable to C because C's new share is not given. So C is getting 1/6. Now we have to make the denominator same. So what is the denominator? Right? So 5 ones are 5 and 6 5s are 30. So what is the new ratio now? The new ratio comes to us 10:15:5. So finally we can say new ratio is equal to 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. So our new ratio comes to 2:3:1. Is it clear to you? Okay. Now they are asking one more thing to us. They are asking to find what is the sacrifice ratio. In the question they are asking to you, right? You can see here the last question I have just taken out. Here you can see calculate the new profit and loss ratio and the sacrifice ratio. Right. So I am taking this one, this question. Let it be. So now again the column we have to make particulars A, B and C. You're getting? We are preparing the new column for the third question. It is not for this one. It is for the third question. Okay. So let's see. Old ratio. So what is the old ratio? 1, 1 and dash. That comes to 2. Then comes the new ratio. So new ratio I think we are get 2:3:1. So 2, 3, 1. It comes to 6. So now we are ready to calculate the sacrifice ratio. So what is the formula for sacrifice ratio? Old ratio minus new ratio. So let's see A's. A sacrifice ratio. तो A का old क्या है? 1/2. A का new क्या है? 2/6. 2 6 are 12. 6 1s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 6 minus 4. It comes to 2/12. Clear? Now comes B's sacrifice ratio. That is 1/2 minus 3/6. 6 minus 6. That is 0/12. Let's find C also. But C will not come also to you. Right? So let's see that also. C sacrifice ratio. So C old is not there. So minus, right? And not minus, we can say 0 minus 1 by 6. So it comes obviously minus 1 by 6. We have to make this LCM perfectly. So what we have to do? 2 by 2. So it comes minus 2 by 12. So our sacrifice ratio comes to 2 by 12 of A, or we can say sacrifice of A comes to 1 by 6. Sacrifice ratio of A comes to 1 by 6. Clear, friends? That we have completed question number 3. Okay. So now let's see the next question. What is ready for us? The fourth question. Fourth, they are saying A and B are the partners in a firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio 2:1. Right. So let's start the sum. What we have to do? We have to divide the page into 2 equal parts. Right. Then we can write the columns particulars A, B, and I'm writing C also. Let B. So at a time we can make 2 columns. No need to make again the new column. You are getting? No. First is the old ratio, that is 2, 1, and C comes to dash and total comes to 3. Then comes a new ratio that is not known yet. Let it be. They admitted C as a new partner for 1/5 share. So C's share comes to how much? 1/5. And they clearly say C will acquire 1/10 share from A. From A and 1/10 share from B. So clearly they say, friends, to you, A sacrifices from when the from word comes from A. From his share is not the only word from. So A is sacrificing how much? 1 by 10. While B sacrifices how much? Same 1 by 10. We can tally also. So let's see how to tally. 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10. It comes to 2 by 10. Don't make 2 by 20. It becomes the LCM same, right? No, 2 by 10. It comes 1 by 5. That is the C share. And you can see it matches. If it is matches, directly we can deduct it. You're getting? Directly we can deduct it. Let's see. So now what we can do, we have to find the new ratio. So what is the formula now? New ratio is equal to old minus sacrifice. Old minus sacrifice. So first name, who is the first partner? A's new ratio. What is the A's old ratio? You can see from here. 2 by 3 minus. What is A sacrifices? A sacrifice comes to 1 by 10. So 2 tens are, it comes to 20. 3 ones are, it comes to 3. 30. It comes to 17 by 30. The first one. Let's see the new one, that is the B. B's new ratio comes to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 10. 30. 10 ones are 10 minus 3. So it comes to 7 by 30. Clear? 17 and 7. Third is C's new ratio. So what is the C share? It is 1 by 5. Now, you know what I want to say? Yes, C will become what? We have to just make the denominator perfect way. So how to do that? 1 by 5 into, how to do? 30 should come. So 6 by 6. You are getting 6 by 6. So it comes 6 by 30. So friends, what is our new ratio? 17:7:6. So new ratio comes to 17:7:6. Right? So make the total of that. 17 plus 7, 23. Right? Sorry, 24. 24 plus 6 makes 30. We cannot divide further that. And here the sacrifice ratio also we have to calculate, but already the sacrifice is given to us. So just we have to write A sacrifice is equal to 1 by 10. B sacrifice is equal to that also 1 by 10 only. Clear? So the third question and the fourth question is totally different from one another. That also completed. Fourth question clear to you? Now let's see the fifth question. What they want to say. A, B and C are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 5:3:2. They admitted D as a new partner. If you read the question properly, then only we can get the proper idea of the sum. You have to read the question. Otherwise, it becomes little bit confusing for us. So what? They admitted C as a new partner, and what they want to say? A sacrifices 1 by 20th from his share, while B sacrifices 3 by 40 from his share in the favor of D. So let's see. Here comes the partners. Here comes the name A, B, C, and finally comes total. Old ratio 5:3:2. It comes how much? 10. New ratio we have to calculate. So now how? They admitted D as a new partner. A sacrificed 1/20th from his share. So let's see. Word comes from his share. So A sacrifices is equal to 1/20th from his share. A sacrifice 120 from his share. Right? A sacrifice and B sacrifice from his share of D. Okay. So A sacrifice 1/20th from his share. So what is the A share? Yes. Admitted D. D share is not given to us. No, that is a more important. A sacrifice 120 from his share. That is A share comes to 5 by 10. Right now? From his share. Okay, as per the wordings that only. No, not required. Yes. From word is there. Of his share not come. So here also, friends, here also, A sacrifice 120 from his share. So don't be confused. Just I have become a little confused from his share, just multiplying. No, of his share should come. It is 1 by 20 only. Right? Clear? Again, I am repeating the word which should come of his share. If the of come, then only we have to multiply. If of is not there, let it be. A sacrifice 1 by 20. Then comes B sacrifice. B comes to 3 by 40. Now just make this LCM same. So what to do? 2 by 2, it comes to 2 by 40. And here comes 3 by 40. So let's find the D share. D share is equal to 2 by 40 plus 3 by 40. It comes 5 by 40, that is 1 by 8. Is it okay? 5 by 40, it comes 1 by 8. Now comes the topic. So let's find the new ratio. New ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrifice. So let's find A's new ratio. So A's old, what is the old? 5 by 10 minus A's sacrifice, that is 2 by 40. So take the LCM. 10 fours are 40 ones are. 5 fours are 20 minus 2 upon 40. 18 by 40. 18 by 40. Okay. Then comes B's new ratio. So B's new ratio. B is old. What is the B is old? 3 by 10 minus B sacrifice. 3 by 40. 12 minus 3. 9 by 40. C's new ratio. C's new ratio. C's old ratio. That means 2 by 10. C is not sacrificing anything. You can see that A and B sacrifice. So minus 0. So 2 by 10. Now we have to make the LCM same. So by which is the number which we get multiply and we get 40? Which one? Yes. 10 multiplied by which figure? 4. 8 by 40. And last comes D's new share. So D's new share comes to 1 by 8. No sacrifice, no gain, again 0. So 1 by 8 into, just see which is the figure. If we multiply, we get 40. That is 5 and 5. 5 by 40. So friends, what is our new ratio? The new ratio is 18 is to 9 is to 8 is to, and one more I have to add here, D. 5, and total comes 40. That is our new ratio. Clear? And now the sacrifice. So now what is the sacrifice? Preparing one more column. Sacrifice ratio. So A sacrifice comes to 2 by 40. So I can write 2 and B sacrifice to 3. It becomes dash. So 2 is to 3. So total sacrifice ratio is 2 is to 3. Right? So friends, we have done 3 questions, that is 3, 4 and 5. So let's have a revision of 3 questions for today. What is the question? A and B are the partners of a firm. They admitted C for 1/6 share as a new partner. After admission of a C, the new profit and loss ratio of A and B will be 2 is to 3. So particulars A, B and total. Old ratio 1, 1 and total 2. C share, how much? 1/6. So how to start? Let the profit of the firm be 1. C share comes to 1 by 6. Remaining share comes to 1 minus 1 by 6, that is 6 minus 1, that is 5 by 6. A's new ratio. What is the formula? Here the formula changes because we have to multiply by new share. That is remaining share multiplied by new share. That is 5 by 6. Remaining, that is 5 by 6 into 2 by 5. That is 10 by 30. B's new ratio. So how to do this? Remaining share into new share. That is 5 by 6 into 3 by 5. 15 by 30. C's new ratio. How to do? 1 by 6 into 5 by 5. 5 by 30. 10 is to 15 is to 5. That is 2 is to 3 is to 1. And then the sacrifice ratio also. How to do that? A, B, C, old ratio 1, 1, total 2. The new ratio 2 is to 3 is to 1. That is total 6. And after that, the formula for sacrifice 2, 3, 1 and deduction. Fourth question, they says that they admitted C as a new partner for 1/5 share. And C will acquire from. This word is most important. When the from comes, let as it is. No change. No change we have to do, right? That's why. So 1 by 5, right? 1 by 10, 1 by 10, make it total, that is 2 by 10, 1 by 5. Clear? And after that, new ratio formula, old minus sacrifice, right? 17, 30, 17 by 30, 7 by 30, 6 by 30. That is 17 is to 7 is to 6. Then comes the fifth question. Here I have little bit made confusion that from his share. The word when from his comes, no, actually which word comes of his share. Then when this word comes of his, then only we have to multiply. Otherwise you have to make it as it is. So I have clear it. 1 by 20. I just made the LCM same by 2 by 2 and 2 by 40. Base sacrifice, that is also same, 3 by 40. Right, we have just multiplied D share 5 by 40, 1 by 8, old ratio minus new ratio, A is to ratio 18, 9, 8 and 5. According to that we have done. Okay. So friends, just revise up to fifth question. In the next class we will see some number 6, 7 and 8. Okay.